Daily dose of internet.
Oh! I busted the wall.
Bro. He just slumped in defeat, dude. You see that? He just slumped. There's nothing that's going through his mind other than, like, how much is this gonna be? You're just staring at it in utter, like, I can't believe I just did that. It just slams closed. Yo, Kato? Yo, that just exploded?
This guy has the ability to swallow pills and then bring them back.
When they walk away, I just bring it up, or if they make me swallow water, no big deal.
What?
And then I just...
Man, this is why we got... This is why this is why fucking psych wards have so much issues. People like this, he's just like, I have a pocket for pills in the back of my throat. Whoop. Water? Good, good, good. But no medicine for me, thank you.
Hey,
yo,
get
what?
on the road! Come on!
Yo, what?
What the?
Yo, when the boys got nothing to do, they get bored. Yeah, that looks fun, to be honest.
I found a video
Yo.
of an extremely talented archer.
Aspirin. Oh, yo, you just busted it. You just shot that out of... How big is an aspirin? It's like only a few millimeters, right? Like 2 centimeters long and like not even 2 centimeters, like a centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters long, and like maybe a centimeter and a half wide. Like, that's insane. We managed to hit that. Oh, ragdoll, man. Just gotta watch out for them Gmod, them Gmod physics, dude.
You like your new tie?
Oh, look at him.
It
He's
makes
so
you
cute.
look very handsome.
Yeah, he knows. He knows he's handsome. He's like, I got my floof, I got my tie, I am handsome as can be. Yo, bald eagles.
These eagles were building a nest and had a disagreement on where to put the stick.
Oh. Marital disputes between eagles, bro? I think that one that just hopped up, won the argument.
This video got over 100 million views on TikTok.
Yeah. Yo, it just slid off. That's cool.
Someone sent me a video of a very bouncy cat.
Yo, that cat is very bouncy. Right in the back of the head.
What the hell? One came from up there.
Why would they do that?
I don't...
Bruh.
You're an idiot.
This guy found out that if he leaves his hand out like that, his dog will start doing this.
Yo. It's like, yo, automatic butt scratches, dude. He's like,
That
oh,
is the
yeah,
end of this
boy,
video.
This is the life. I am so comfortable right now. I am so down with this. That dog was just pleased with himself.
I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Daily dose of internet. A bear tried to eat this man's dogs,
Yo,
but
what?
was able to scare the bear.
Bruh. This bear's bold as hell, man.
Away.
That's why you gotta, when you're out in the woods, you gotta be armed. Bears and stuff, man. They ain't a joke. They ain't a joke at all.
Go, Saskia.
Y'all? Yo, that voice. Yo, that's crazy.
686. 680. Okay, sorry.
Oh! Yo. This looks like something out of a war movie. He just got hit in the stomach with the shrapnel. The little bits of the little bits of watermelon everywhere, dude.
Have you ever heard a snake make this sound before?
It's farting. I'm just letting it all out, man. Sounds like a Walmart public bathroom. Oh man. Yo. Wait, what? Yo, that looks cool. Wow. Yo, he painted it in inverted? Dude, what? That's insane. He managed to get the colors right and get the shading correct with inverted colors. That's crazy, actually. Oh. The face of pure regret. Look at that. Oh man.
Please don't try what you're about to
Y'all?
see. This is incredibly dangerous.
Don't let go of it, don't keep hanging on to it because you might get flinged. How can you bend it over like that? That's ridiculous. Amazing.
Nah, it's bent.
Okay, done.
Gotta be bent. Yep.
Yep, got it.
Very dangerous, yes. Just hold on to the tree, David. Whatever his name was.
Police officers pulled over a man that was driving under the influence. They noticed something moving in the trunk and told him to open it up. Turns out there was a deer in the trunk, and the police told him to let it go.
What? Why do you have a deer in the trunk, man? Who put... You cannot be in the right mind, man. Nobody in the right mind is gonna put a deer in their trunk. A live deer in the trunk of their SUV or whatever this is. That deer is like, I just got abducted. I don't know what's going on. Where am I?
You can do it, Snowball.
Y'all?
Do it. You can do it.
Oh no! Oh no! You encouraged it. You encouraged it. It is your fault. You did it. You did it. You with the pink ribbon. Poor
Can I get a whisper?
Oh.
Oh, that's not a whisper. Can I get a whisper? Good job.
Oh, so cute. Got a little whisper. Got quiet. So cute. I like it. Oh, yo, this man's moving like he's he's like a chimp, dude. He's just going, man. Swinging from like rock to rock or
That's the
whatever.
end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
That's gotta be cold up there, though. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. If you want to catch one of my streams live, check out my Twitch at LT_code, linked in the description. Follow my Twitter for YouTube upload announcements and stream announcements. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.